have to believe when you can't, when you don't see no way how. You have to buckle down and keep believing. Because I know if I quit, it cannot happen. If you stay with it, you have no idea what can happen for you.
Hello, people. So, I am currently at the airport. We're at BWI Airport, and we are headed to North Carolina for our work retreat. I apologize in advance because I wanted to do a pack with me, but I ended up not being able to do the pack with me. And surprise, surprise, I just packed this morning. I'm so surprised at myself because normally I pack days and days and days in advance. But for whatever reason, I decided I didn't want to do that. And I packed this morning. And that's it. I just wanted to let you all know what was happening. And I will check back in with you probably once we get to the house.
Who rocks the house? Oh, Spaces rocks the house. And when Spaces rocks the house, we rock it all the way down. Who rocks the house? Spaces rocks the house. And when Spaces rocks the house, we rock it all the way down. I said, who rocks the house? Spaces rocks the house. And when Spaces rocks the house, we rock it all the way down.
Hey guys, so we just made it to the house. Everybody's bumping around trying to figure out what room, who's going to stay where, all that good stuff. So I will give you a quick tour of my room, but then I'll give you a tour of the house in the morning once it's quiet, a little bit more settled. This is the outdoor. So don't mind the stuff on the bed. I did come in, make myself comfortable. So we have a bathroom. Y'all, why is this mirror so tall? Like, I can barely see myself in it. I love the old school bathtub. Oh, I love the towel. I need to change the way I'm living because I need this life. But this is my room. So two things that I really love about this room. Number one is that it has a TV. Well, three things. Number three, it has this walk-in closet. Eventually my stuff will make it in here by the end of tonight. And lastly, I like the fact that I can control my own heat. It's 67 now. I've already turned it up to 80 because it's freezing in here. But the room is huge. So now we're about to go downstairs to go to dinner.
You know, really thinking heavily about the big idea of self-sufficiency, you know?
Gotta be back to canned food.
Yeah, because think about it, like, when all the stores were empty, everybody's panicking, like, oh my God, I might try it. You know, and you never consider back.
These stairs are dangerous.
You recording?
Look who it is, it's Deja. They remember you from the last video.
Your vlog, yes. Y'all see how we living?
Let's have an outdoor tour in the morning. I left my cup upstairs.
We just want to say, and this is Chef Isaiah.
Hey, Chef Isaiah.
And we want to say that we thank you all very much for allowing us to serve you during your retreat. I hope you will enjoy, and we appreciate it very much. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And so we have good old buttermilk fried chicken, and we have one of Isaiah's noodles, macaroni noodles with breadcrumbs. And then we have some collard greens, and the meat is
what is it? Turkey, smoked turkey. We have vegetarian. Who's the vegetarian?
Sometimes.
Okay then. All right then. Well, if you're good with all this, it's okay. But if not, we have a couple things in here. We have ice cream. We have strawberry, vanilla, and chocolate. And rice over here. You can, if you don't mind, you can get your own rice over here if you don't mind. So we appreciate it once again. Thank you.
Thank you.
Can I do a quick
Also some greens over here with no meat.
Thank you.
It's gonna be an ice cream bar. Me right here. Yes. Let's speak this close.
Hello, beautiful people. I don't believe I told you all, but every year we do, well, actually twice a year, we do a staff retreat. Apparently there's an alarm going off and we have to get that figured out. But every year we do a staff retreat, and this is the second time that we were able to do a staff retreat out of state. The first time we went to Virginia, and due to some personal reasons, I was unable to go. So this is actually my first time being in a retreat where the entire staff was able to get up, travel, and this time we all flew. We came to North Carolina. We're actually in an Airbnb in Durham, North Carolina right now. We paid to get a chef, and they come, they do all the cooking and stuff for us. Everyone gets their own room. It's actually really nice. But the entire plan for this trip, or for this retreat, is for us to basically strengthen our teams, build morale, strategically plan for the year. Since it's January, we do a retreat every January, and then we do another one in like September, August, to do a check-in to see if we are accomplishing the goals that we set from our January retreat. And so we will be here. Monday was a travel day. Friday will be a travel day. So Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday is when we'll get together. We'll do all of our strategic plannings. We will come up with our objectives and goals for the remainder of the year. And that's it. Just wanted to check in and let you all know what was going on. In the morning, I'm going to get up and I'm going to do a quick tour of the entire house. It's a beautiful house. Beautiful. It's actually in the state. Like, there's a pool house and there's another place for some other rooms. I don't know what the heck it's called, but beautiful, absolutely beautiful estate. And that's it. We had dinner. I'm about to do a little bit of planning for my business. I have some Instagram posts I have some content that I need to get out. I have some planning. I have to make sure that I have some appointments when I get back. And that's it. So I will see y'all later. Hello, beautiful people. So I'm trying to work on this vlogging thing, because I be so caught up in the moment, I never remember to pick y'all up and record anything. I did try to remember to get some content, like literally a snippet of what we did today. But as you know, we are at our staff retreat. We are currently in Durham, North Carolina. And today was the first full day of the retreat. And so we got up, we had breakfast. I think breakfast was from 7:30 a.m. It was supposed to be until 9:30 a.m., but we ended up having an extra 30 minutes because last year we had to work on our presentations. And let me back up. So for anyone who doesn't know, I work for a nonprofit, Spaces in Action. We're a DC-based organization. And we work on several different campaigns: early learning childcare, tax justice, health equity, and language justice. So all of those issue areas, we go out into the community, we build power, we try to change policies. We've done a lot of good work in the community. I'll try to remember to put the link to some of our videos so you can see some of the work that we've done. But at the end of last year, we did presentations basically recapping what our accomplishments were for 2023, what our goals were, and we went out on a break for 2 weeks. And then usually the first week of January, we do our staff retreat. This year was our first year we were able to travel for our staff retreat, which is why we're in North Carolina in a beautiful home. It's in a state. It's not even a home. It's in a state. Beautiful. But anyways, this morning we got up and our task at the end of the year was to revamp our presentations. And so we basically had to do presentations on what our 2024 goals are and strategically plan how we are going to accomplish those goals. And we had to present that to our team today. And then after that, we were working on something really, really dope with a super talented artist. I'm really excited to share that. Can't share it now, but I am excited about sharing it in the future once it's all done. And after that, we went to dinner, and now I'm in my room and I'm trying to catch you guys up on what exactly took place today. I was trying to record the presentations, didn't get a chance to do that. I did record a little bit of the behind the scenes. I think I can insert some footage now, but hopefully tomorrow I will do a better job at vlogging. So it's about 9 o'clock. I'm basically about to put my nails on because I'm looking like a bald head scallywag, at least my fingers are. So I'm going to try to do my nails, take this makeup off, and probably watch YouTube videos until I go to sleep. So with that being said, I will see y'all in the morning.
So when we have conversations with the educators, we definitely oftentimes hear them say that we are members of Spaces in Action. We usually hear this more regularly or more commonly when they're sharing their stories with the council members, and when they go to actions. One of the first things that they always, or how they always identify themselves, is we are members of Spaces in Action. We're leaders, or we're teacher leaders, or teacher members of Spaces in Action. So I definitely think that they see themselves as part of the organization. I think the muscle that we have to build up when it comes to getting them to financially invest is having the conversation with them in a different way, where they understand that just because they invest into Spaces in Action, you're not going to automatically get invited to a party and it's going to be a cookout and it's going to... Membership, that's not what membership means, right? Membership means building that power. And I think that's when we have to build up our muscle when it comes to getting them to financially invest, because I don't think that they quite see how membership relates to power. Can I ask
I think that's right. And you guys getting stronger and clearer in that is going to be like really key in building and digging into, like, you guys have won half the battle. If they actually view themselves as members, then you've gone a long way. That will also come into play when you're trying to plan something. You don't have to carry all that on your shoulders. You have leaders that you can tap because you're fully aware of what their skills are, and they're fully aware that you recognize it and that they could be bringing it and leading in that vein. So really tapping into what their skills and what their value add is to the organization, to let them know that's why you're that's why you're investing in them, and that's why you want them to invest in the organization as well.
Yeah, that's great. And the number is the IT number, I remember. And yes, they charge you like 100. Well, they charged me like 20 years ago, like 150 to fill it out and send it. And it's something that you go online to the IRS and download and just fill it out with your information. So it's not a big deal.
Hello. So as you can tell, I am back home. I've gotten sick, so I was not able to close out the video before we left, but I did just want to hop on here real quick and just say thank y'all for watching. I hope that you remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm gonna try to keep this vlog thing going. I got a lot of good stuff happening this year, so I want to take y'all on that journey with me, and I hope that you are willing to go. So I will see you all in the next video. Bye.